This NVCYUV DA97-19010A ice maker assembly feels like a key. It unlocks your Samsung refrigerator's full potential again. Many Samsung refrigerator ice maker issues arise. This part is a direct replacement. It fits models like 27 trillion rupees 5200SG A and 22 trillion rupees 5561 steradian so. Check your model number carefully. It is AP6804571 and PS12707599. Moreover, AP12707599 and 4961644 are also compatible. Finally, it promises renewed convenience. A broken ice maker can feel like a silent guardian. It stands still and provides no ice. But this new assembly offers a fresh breath. It restores automatic ice production. Consequently, your drinks stay cold. You also get a steady supply of cubes. The quality seems solid. Therefore, it feels like a reliable fix. Furthermore, it is a practical solution. Your Samsung refrigerator ice maker will hum again. Overall, this ice maker appears dependable. It is a straightforward replacement. So, consider it a smart investment. Installation seems manageable for most, however. Always follow instructions. It brings back that refreshing feeling. Moreover, no more manual ice trays. This Samsung refrigerator ice maker part solves a real problem. Therefore, it is a truly worthwhile purchase. Pros: super affordable price, strong MagSafe connection, vibrant color in person, sleek design. Lightweight feel, appealing colors, easy to spot phone, protects iPhone well, good hand grip. Excellent fit, easy to attach, wireless charging works, precise cutouts, easy to apply on phone features. Ice maker assembly, NVCYUV brand, DA97-19010A model, for Samsung refrigerator, compatible. With 27 trillion rupees 5200SG A, also fits 22 trillion rupees 5561 steradian. Replaces AP6804571 alternative to PS12707599. EAP12707599 equivalent. Part number 4961644. This NVCYUV DA97-19010A ice maker assembly is a replacement part for Samsung refrigerators. It works with models like the 27 trillion rupees 5200SG A and 22 trillion rupees 5561 steradian. This part can also replace other part numbers such as AP6804571, PS12707599, EAP12707599, and 4961644. If your Samsung fridge isn't making ice, this part could fix the problem. This NVCYUV ice maker is a great, affordable replacement for several Samsung refrigerator models, including the 27 trillion rupees 5200SG A and 22 trillion rupees 5561 steradian. It's easy to install and works with wireless charging. Users also love its sleek design, vibrant color options, and how well it protects their iPhone while providing a good grip.